Imagine stepping into a vast building, its high ceilings echoing with the hum of machinery and the steady rhythm of production. The air is alive with energy, a sense of purpose woven into every corner. This is not just a factory, it's a living, breathing organism where every part works in harmony to create something extraordinary. Here, the most basic ingredients, sand, soda ash, and limestone, arrive in their raw, unassuming forms. These simple materials, so familiar and yet so full of potential, are the foundation of everything that happens next. They are carefully measured, mixed, and prepared, ready to be transformed by the magic of science and industry. Workers in bright safety gear move with purpose, each one a vital part of this intricate operation. Some monitor the flow of materials, others operate complex machines, and together they orchestrate a symphony of technology and teamwork. Their expertise ensures that every step, from raw material to finished product, is executed flawlessly. The factory itself is a fascinating blend of old and new. Ancient brickwork stands side by side with gleaming steel and glass, a testament to centuries of innovation. Here, traditional glassmaking techniques meet cutting-edge automation, creating a space where history and progress coexist. Once, glassmaking was a closely guarded secret, practiced by skilled artisans in small workshops. Today, it has evolved into a massive, automated process. Robotic arms and conveyor belts now handle tasks that once required years of training, allowing the factory to produce glass on a scale that would have been unimaginable in the past. At the heart of it all are gigantic furnaces, burning day and night. Their intense orange glow is both beautiful and intimidating, a reminder of the incredible heat required to melt raw materials into molten glass. These furnaces never rest, producing thousands of bottles and jars every hour, fueling industries and homes around the world. As you move closer to the furnaces, the temperature rises noticeably. The air shimmers with heat, and workers wipe sweat from their brows as they approach the glowing machinery. This is the heart of the factory, where raw materials are transformed by fire into something entirely new. Conveyor belts snake through the factory, carrying glowing blobs of molten glass that are quickly shaped into jars and bottles. The sound of glass clinking together fills the air, a constant reminder of the factory's productivity. Machines work tirelessly, molding and cooling each piece with precision. This is the birthplace of everyday products: jars for your favorite jam, bottles for water and soda, containers that will travel from this factory to kitchens and stores everywhere. Each item is carefully inspected, ensuring it meets the highest standards before it leaves the line. The journey from raw earth to finished goods is on full display here. Piles of sand and minerals enter one end of the factory, and gleaming glass products emerge from the other, a remarkable transformation that happens every single day. It's a place of dramatic change, where ordinary materials are subjected to extraordinary conditions. The transformation is almost alchemical, as fire and pressure turn sand into something clear, strong, and endlessly useful. The journey from sand to glass is a story of science and industry working in perfect harmony. Engineers and scientists constantly monitor the process, making adjustments to ensure quality and efficiency. It's a delicate balance of art and technology. As you walk deeper into the factory, the orange glow of the furnace becomes a constant companion. It's a visual and physical reminder of the energy and heat required to create glass, and of the power harnessed within these walls. The rhythmic dance of machinery is mesmerizing. Mechanical arms move in perfect synchronization, each motion carefully timed to ensure a smooth, efficient process. It's a ballet of steel and fire, precision and power. This is where the jar for your favorite jam, or the bottle for your morning juice, begins its journey. Before it's filled, labeled, and shipped, it starts here, shaped by heat, molded by machines, and inspected by skilled hands. Every glass container starts as a humble pile of sand, waiting in the warehouse to be loaded into the production line. It's a simple beginning for something that will soon be part of daily life for people all over the world. The glass factory is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Here, simple recipes and raw materials are transformed into a continuous stream of products, each one a small marvel of science, engineering, and creativity. The journey of glassmaking begins with the careful selection and preparation of its essential ingredients: silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. Each of these raw materials plays a unique and vital role in the creation of glass, and their quality directly impacts the final product. Silica sand, which is almost pure silicon dioxide, forms the backbone of glass. Its purity is crucial, as it gives glass its remarkable strength, clarity, and resistance to chemical attack. The sand is sourced from select deposits and is often washed and screened to remove impurities before use. Soda ash, or sodium carbonate, is added to the mix to lower the melting temperature of the silica. This not only makes the process more energy efficient, but also allows for smoother, more consistent melting, which is essential for producing high-quality glass. Limestone, or calcium carbonate, is another key ingredient. It acts as a stabilizer, adding durability and helping to prevent the finished glass from dissolving or reacting with liquids. This ensures that glass containers can safely hold a wide range of products. Cullet, which is recycled glass, is also a crucial component. By incorporating cullet into the batch, manufacturers significantly reduce the energy required to melt the mixture. This not only lowers production costs, but also makes the process more sustainable by reducing the need for raw materials and cutting down on carbon emissions. These raw materials are delivered to the factory in bulk, often by truck or rail, and are stored in massive silos that protect them from contamination and moisture. The silos ensure a steady, reliable supply for continuous production. Advanced computer systems precisely control the weighing and mixing of each ingredient. This automation guarantees that every batch meets strict quality standards, minimizing human error and ensuring consistency. Depending on the type of glass being produced, the batch recipe may be adjusted. Additives such as metal oxides or minerals are introduced to create different colors or impart special properties, like UV resistance or increased strength. All the ingredients are thoroughly blended in large industrial mixers, transforming them into a uniform, grayish powder. This homogeneity is essential for producing flawless glass, as even minor inconsistencies can lead to defects. Once mixed, the batch is transported by conveyor belts toward the furnace, where the real transformation will take place. The journey from raw materials to molten glass is about to begin. The movement of the batch to the furnace is a critical step, as it must be done efficiently to maintain the quality and flow of production. Technicians regularly inspect the mixed batch for uniformity, ensuring that the powder is free of lumps or contaminants. This attention to detail helps prevent flaws in the finished glass. The final mixture is a coarse, consistent powder, perfectly prepared for the intense heat of the furnace. As the batch moves steadily toward the glowing furnace, anticipation builds. This is the moment when raw materials will be transformed into a new state. The furnace, glowing with intense orange heat, is the heart of the glass factory. Here, science and art come together in a dramatic transformation. Throughout the process, a blend of precision engineering and human expertise ensures that every step is optimized for quality and efficiency. Every ingredient is carefully measured and mixed, reflecting the factory's commitment to excellence and innovation. By using recycled glass alongside raw materials, the factory not only conserves resources but also sets a standard for sustainability in modern manufacturing. The batch enters a colossal furnace, a building-sized structure. Temperatures reach 1,500 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava. Flames from natural gas jets create a deep, constant rumble. Inside, the batch melts into a thick, glowing liquid. The molten glass flows from white-hot to vibrant orange-red. Bubbles form and must be removed for clarity and strength. Fining agents help bubbles rise and pop, smoothing the glass. The glass flows to a cooler refining end, ready for shaping. Four hearths channel the liquid glass like rivers of fire. The furnace is the factory's heart, transforming sand into liquid glass. The process is a blend of heat and precision. The glass is kept at a precise temperature for molding. The furnace is a fiery womb where glass is reborn. Molten glass transforms into objects with speed and precision. Shears cut the glowing glass into gobs, each perfectly sized. Gobs fall into molds, part of a rotating IS machine. The machine shapes the glass through press and blow or blow and blow methods. The process is a blur of motion, steam, and glowing glass. The parison, a thick-walled bottle shape, is formed. It moves to the blow mold for final shaping. Compressed air expands the glass into its final form. The process is a dance of heat and precision. The glass takes on its final shape, ready for the next stage. The press and blow method is a specialized glass-forming technique, particularly well-suited for producing jars and wide-mouthed glass containers. This process is widely used in the glass industry because it allows for the creation of containers with consistent wall thickness and precise shapes, which are essential for both functionality and aesthetics. The process begins when a measured gob of molten glass is dropped into a blank mold. Here, a metal plunger descends, pressing the hot glass into the contours of the mold. This initial shaping step is crucial, as it determines the basic form and thickness of the future jar. As the plunger presses, the glass spreads and forms what is known as a parison, a preliminary shape that already features its final neck. This step happens rapidly, ensuring the glass remains hot and malleable. Next, specialized neck rings grip the parison securely. These rings are designed to hold the delicate glass without distorting its shape. The parison is then carefully flipped and transferred into the blow mold by automated machinery, ensuring precision and speed. Once inside the blow mold, compressed air is introduced. This air pressure forces the hot glass outward, expanding it to fill the mold's intricate contours. The result is a jar with its final detailed shape. After a brief moment, the blow mold opens, revealing a perfectly formed glass jar. The transformation from molten glass to finished product is almost instantaneous. Mechanical fingers or robotic arms then gently lift the hot, fragile jar and place it onto a moving conveyor belt, ready for the next stage. At this point, the jar is still glowing with heat, its glass soft and vulnerable. This glow is a sign of the high temperatures involved in the process. The entire process is a remarkable transformation, as the glass rapidly shifts from a molten liquid state to a solid, durable container in just seconds. The newly formed jar is quickly moved along the conveyor, where it will soon enter the annealing oven. This step is vital to relieve internal stresses and ensure the jar's strength and durability. Throughout the process, precision machinery and automation guarantee that each jar meets strict quality standards, resulting in consistent products batch after batch. The blow mold imparts the final details and textures to the jar, from smooth surfaces to embossed designs, making each piece both functional and visually appealing. This entire process is a delicate balance of intense heat, precise timing and mechanical accuracy, all working together to create high-quality glass containers. Once formed, the jar continues its journey down the production line, ready for further processing, inspection, and packaging. The press and blow method stands as a marvel of modern engineering, combining tradition and innovation to produce the glass jars we use every day. Newly formed glass must be annealed to relieve stress. The layer, a long tunnel oven, gradually cools the glass. The process ensures uniform temperature, preventing shattering. The glass moves through zones, cooling slowly over time. The layer transforms fragile glass into strong, durable containers. The process is a blend of heat and precision. The glass emerges clear and strong, ready for inspection. Annealing is crucial for quality and durability. Quality control ensures each glass container is flawless. Human inspectors and machines check for defects. Cameras and lasers detect cracks, bubbles, and imperfections. Machines measure dimensions and check for roundness. Flawed containers are rejected and recycled as cullet. The process ensures only perfect glass continues. Quality control is a blend of human skill and technology. The system ensures high-quality, safe glass containers. After quality checks, glass containers receive finishing touches. Embossing and labeling add unique personality to products. Applied ceramic labeling fuses designs onto glass surfaces. Fire polishing smooths and strengthens glass rims. Surface treatments add value and function. The process tailors glass for specific purposes. Finishing adds the final layer of quality. The glass is ready for packaging and departure. Each touch enhances the product's identity. The process is a blend of art and engineering. The final stage is packaging for the journey ahead. Containers are grouped and stacked on pallets. Machines wrap pallets securely for transport. Forklifts load pallets onto trucks or shipping containers. The factory is a hub in a larger supply chain. Glass travels from raw materials to finished products. The journey is a testament to engineering and efficiency. Glass containers are ready for their next destination. The process ensures a constant flow of products. The factory is a marvel of logistics and production. Glass leaves the factory as a perfect empty vessel. The journey from sand to glass is complete.